In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat step by step, so you can add AI-powered conversations to your Wix website without any complicated coding. This is perfect if you want to automate replies, improve customer support, or simply make your site more interactive using ChatGPT. We'll go through everything slowly so even beginners can follow along. And before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the site where you want to integrate ChatGPT. From there, make sure you are using Wix Studio or the Wix editor. Now look at the left-hand menu and click on Apps. After that, click on the App Market. This is where Wix allows you to add extra functionality to your website. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top and type in ChatGPT. Give it a second to load the results. You should see an app that's based on ChatGPT conversations. This app is designed to connect AI-powered chat directly with your Wix website visitors. Now, click on the ChatGPT-based conversation app. You'll see an option that says Add to Site. Go ahead and click that. Wix will take a few moments to install the app and connect it to your website, so don't worry if it feels a bit slow. Just let it finish the process. After the app has been added, click on the newly added ChatGPT app inside your editor. You'll now see configuration options. At this stage, you need to add the HTML provided by the app. This HTML is what allows ChatGPT to communicate properly with your Wix chat interface. Carefully paste the HTML code into the designated HTML or embed section. Make sure you don't miss any characters, because even a small mistake can stop the chat from working correctly. Once the HTML has been added, double-check everything. Make sure the correct app is selected and the code is placed in the right area. When you're confident everything looks good, click on Update. This saves your changes and applies the ChatGPT integration to your site. Now your Wix chat is officially integrated with OpenAI ChatGPT. To test it, preview your site and try sending a message through the chat. You should see AI-generated responses coming through automatically. This means your integration is working successfully. This setup is great for answering common questions, handling basic customer support, or guiding visitors around your website 24/7 without manual effort. You can further customize the responses and behavior depending on the app settings and your website's needs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT with Wix Chat in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix, AI, and website automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.